Back. So now that we're getting back a filtered list right here, if we jump into our TypeScript file, what do we want to do with the filtered list? Well, it's very simple. We just want to set the jokes, the local jokes right here inside the list joke TypeScript file, inside the list joke page, right? We want to set those into the filtered jokes. So what we're going to do is we're going to say this.jokes to kind of point to this list of jokes here should be equal to the filtered jokes. And now it should actually start filtering the jokes for us. Let's try and see if this actually works right here. Jumping into the code again, and let's just try and jump into the list of jokes. Start writing police. There we go. Let's write Y. There we go. Let's write bartender, and there's the joke with the bartender, right? Let's try and write bartender with a capitalized B. Oh, it's gone. Why? Well, the problem is actually that when I put in the bartender with a capitalized B, even though this guy says bartender right here, it's actually lowercase b. So if I put in bartender with lowercase, it'll actually find it. But if I change it to uppercase right now, it won't find it because bartender is not uppercase. Now this is business logic. You can decide that even though it's lowercase, uppercase, I always want to show it. If you want to do that, then we need to kind of change our logic inside the code. So jumping back to the filtered joke code, get filtered jokes inside the service, we can pretty much just say that the search text should always be lowercase. So let's just try and do that, to lowercase. And so should the punchline, always lowercase. Now by doing this for both the setup, the punchline, and the search text, I'm pretty much just going in right now and saying, before you even try to test these guys, make everything lowercase. Now saving this, it doesn't care if the bartender is uppercase, lowercase, it doesn't care. It'll show every time a word matches, upper, lowercase, doesn't matter, it'll actually try and get it. So even though I write police now with lowercase, it'll still find the police, right? Because it doesn't care if it's upper, lowercase anymore. So now when I write bartender with uppercase, bartender, it'll still find the bartender right here, even though it's lowercase, right? So if I put an uppercase here, it'll still find the guy, right? There we go. So we just got search fields. Now we can keep working on this. We could start clearing this when we jump back and forth. There's a lot of things we could change, but now you kind of have a search bar up and running, and you can actually start searching for specific areas like this to kind of find parts of a joke, right?